Hello viewers, in this video I want to continue explanation how we mount this cabinetry or custom-made furniture, and today I would like to show you briefly how to mount furniture legs. I mentioned this in my last video, but now I will show a little bit in detail that you don't miss how to do it the best way and the easiest way. This is still the cabinet, which is about trash bin and the sink, and on this example I will show you how to mount legs, leg supports and legs. So now I will take my camera. All right, so this is now the mounted legs. So how do I do this? So as I said, I typically take this edge, so the side panels of the corpus as a guide where to mount them. And so I have to do the vertical marking, but I do 50 millimeter mark from here, and then on the other side as well the same way, and on the bottom side also the same. I just mark 50 millimeters, and then of course you can turn in many directions this mount, because there are some pre-custom made this faceplate for these sockets, but I prefer to use magnet, and this is what I showed you, and I will show you still once again. And then I mount this on 45, so 5 millimeter above, so the cover plate of the bottom furniture will go something like this on 45, and this is on 50 millimeters. So the leg itself, it's here, and you just plug it in. You have this really prefabricated positions where you can really put them in. Okay, and that's it. And now you have adjustment possibilities so that everything is leveled in the right way when you mount them. So all the four sides, and this is adjustable between, I think, 80 to 120 millimeters. So this is how you mount them, and then the finish looks like this. So my garage is not really straight with the slab, but in the end you can adjust everything that it's correct. So this is essentially it. So the easiest way, 50 from the front of the cabinetry, use this side panel as a guide, that you don't have to vertically mark anything, and you get to this. And then these legs, of course, there are many types of legs. These are 10 centimeter legs, because there is still enough space below the cabinetry to clean, to clean with some, I don't know, some cleaning stuff, because I have in my kitchen 6 millimeters, and this is really too low, something like this, and then basically you cannot put anything inside, so this is wrong. So 10, it should be really a 10 centimeter. All right, so this is a video about mounting of the legs of the furniture. So height is important, so you can clean below. You have to watch that you mount this holder for the front plate of magnets, or any other type for this special plate which goes on the bottom. So this is important, not to forget to mark on the cabinet itself before you finish everything, and then you are in trouble. You have to disassemble some stuff or from the place, so to put this on. So this is important. 4 legs per cabinet, enough. You can do 5, makes no sense, but you can do as many as you wish. And in the end, as far left and right on the edges, you can do them, mount them. This is the best, but that's why I just use the side panels as the guiding edge where to mount them. And this is basically it. There is many ways you can do this, but this is the simplest way and the way I do it. Not the best way, not the only way, my way. Thank you for watching. Until next video, stay tuned.